Hi guys, welcome back to another Brittany Built video. We are on the final stretch of tearing down the engine, hopefully, until it goes into the machine shop and we get it back ready to buy parts and get it into the Mustang and wire it all together, and hopefully everything goes smoothly, just like it has been. I mean, there's been a couple bumps in the road, as you guys know, but it's really been going better than I had expected, honestly. So that's a big plus for us. And so let's get to tearing. So obviously when I said everything was going so smoothly in the shop with the engine and everything, I jinxed myself, because getting those pistons out have been terrible. I honestly don't know what's going on, why it's going wrong, why it's doing what it's doing, but I'm not gonna give up, and we are going to get those pistons out. So obviously, you saw yesterday, we struggled a lot. As I mentioned beforehand, all of this. So today, we're back because we do not give up on our builds. And when life gives us stuck pistons, we unstick those pistons. So let's get to it. We got it! 7 more to go. So I'll show you guys what exactly I'm doing with the hammer part of it. The connector rod part of the piston is currently hitting the cylinder walls, so it won't go free. So I'm trying to move it back out of that position and be able to get it out freely, because my dad suggested I don't take the crank out first and pull them out backwards. To each their own. I'm doing it the way he told me to. That way I can make him happy. Back to business. pistons out of the 5.0. It was a long, hard journey, but we did it. I also took out all the bearings that were in the pistons, and you can see that they were worn. If you're new to the whole automotive thing, the bronze color means that the bearings have been worn out to like the end of the bearing era, and the silver is what like the bearing should look like. I also praise Ford. You can see that there's like number 3 to number 3, so they are matched up. And I did that with every piston. That way I know which way they go back together and they won't go back together wrong. So I can't wait to finish tearing down the engine and show you guys what's up. Obviously we're like head to toe dirty, but that's what this is all about. It's about building our dreams. And when I got stuck, did I want to give up? Absolutely. Did I give up? I did for about that day. But I came back and I was like, you know what? We're going to build this engine ourselves and we're going to get through it. Yes, truth be told, I'm only 105 and I've stopped going to the gym for a little while because I've been so busy trying to get this engine back together, working part-time and going to school full-time from 8 to 3. So it's extremely crazy how fast this build is fast. It's such a slow process right now, but how fast this build is coming together and how soon the car might be on the road. Because you guys and myself, we're building this dream together, because never forget, dreams don't become reality unless they're built.